Welcome back to Miraz Tech, your go-to source for the most innovative and practical tech gear on the market. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible gadgets that are perfect for your car. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just looking to upgrade your driving experience, these gadgets are built to add comfort, safety, and smart convenience to every mile. Let's get started.
First up, the Luno Vehicle Air Mattress 2.0. If you've ever tried sleeping in your car during a road trip or camping adventure, you know how uncomfortable it can get. That's where Luno comes in. Designed to fit over 1,800 vehicle types, this air mattress quickly inflates into a spacious, supportive bed right in your back seat. It features durable fabric, a packable design, and separate inflation chambers, so you can customize firmness or just inflate one side. Whether you're heading to a festival or stuck overnight somewhere, Luno turns your vehicle into a comfortable resting space in minutes. Next, we have the MagicMount Charge Elite. This isn't your average phone mount. It's a magnetic wireless charger that holds your device securely while charging it at high speed. No cables needed. Designed with powerful magnets and a secure suction cup, it attaches easily to your dashboard or windshield. It's MagSafe compatible, meaning iPhone users get that perfect magnetic snap, and it supports fast charging for other ski-enabled devices too. Sleek, minimal, and built for on-the-go charging, this gadget keeps your phone powered and within reach without cluttering your car. Now let's talk about safety with the Nextbase 422 GWO. This smart dash cam does more than just record your drive. With 1440p HD resolution and built-in GPS, it provides crystal clear footage and exact location tracking. What sets it apart is its emergency SOS feature. In the event of a serious accident, it can alert emergency services with your location and medical profile. It also comes with Alexa built in, so you can control music, check the weather, or get directions hands-free. It's smart, it's sleek, and it gives peace of mind on every drive.
Ever wish you had more outlets in your car? The Leyoutime Power Share outlet has you covered. This compact device turns your single car socket into multiple usable ports, including USB-C and traditional AC outlets. Charge your laptop, camera, phone, or even power small appliances while on the road. It's perfect for long trips, mobile workstations, or just keeping everyone's devices topped up during a family drive. Simple, powerful, and efficient, this little gadget brings big flexibility to your vehicle's power setup. For the off-roaders and adventurers out there, meet the Garmin Tread. This rugged, all-terrain GPS navigator is built for power sports and overlanding. It features a high-visibility display that works even in bright sunlight and can be used with gloves on. It provides turn-by-turn directions on and off-road, topographic and street maps, satellite imagery, and even trail maps. With built-in group ride tracking and communication features, it's the ultimate tool for staying connected in remote areas. If you like to explore beyond the pavement, Garmin Tread makes sure you're always on course. Coming up next is the Waylens Secure 360 4G. This is more than a dash cam, it's a full 360-degree vehicle security system. It records everything happening inside and around your car, and with 4G LTE connectivity, it sends real-time alerts and live streaming directly to your phone. Whether a vehicle is parked or in motion, it monitors continuously and even includes impact detection. It's a great deterrent for break-ins and vandalism, and a solid source of evidence if something happens. Discreet, intelligent, and always watching. This is smart security for your car.
If you're hitting the slopes, you'll want the Thule ski and snowboard car rack. Designed for convenience and durability, this rack easily mounts to your vehicle's roof and securely holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. The oversized push buttons make it easy to open, even with gloves on, and the soft rubber arms protect your gear from scratches.
Whether you're a weekend warrior or a mountain regular, this rack is a no-fuss way to transport your gear without taking up space inside your car. Let's switch gears to radar detection with the Cobra Road Scout. This hybrid device combines a premium radar detector with a dash cam in one unit. It alerts you to speed traps, red light cameras, and radar signals while also capturing full HD footage of your drive. The real advantage here is integration. One sleek device does the work of two, reducing dashboard clutter. And with its advanced false alert filtering, it only notifies you when it really matters. It's a smart way to stay alert and protected on the road. Next up, the WOLFBOX G900. This is a smart rear-view mirror dashcam system that replaces your standard mirror with a high-res touchscreen. It features both front and rear cameras, night vision, parking assistance, and loop recording. What makes it special is the clarity and coverage. You get a wide-angle view of everything behind and in front of you, all in real time. It's especially helpful for larger vehicles with blind spots or anyone who just wants a better view when reversing. Sleek, easy to install, and packed with features, the G900 transforms your daily drive.
Finally, we have a safety-focused innovation, the Not Your Child Ignition Interlock device. This system is designed to prevent unauthorized or impaired driving by requiring a breath sample before the engine starts. It's particularly useful for families with teen drivers or anyone managing driving safety concerns. The device can send alerts and reports to parents or guardians, adding an extra layer of accountability. It's discreet, reliable, and gives you control over who's behind the wheel, helping to build safer driving habits from day one. And that wraps up our list of 10 amazing car gadgets that combine safety, convenience, and innovation. Whether you're upgrading your car for comfort, staying connected on the road, or adding extra layers of security, these gadgets have something for everyone. Thanks for watching Miraz Tech. If you found something useful in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest gadget breakdowns. Got a favorite from the list or something we missed? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and keep exploring with Miraz Tech.